Hey, what's up, subscribers? Welcome to Cyclogy. How to tempt a guy to kiss you. Here I'm gonna tell you 4 tips to tempt a guy to kiss you. So before I start talking about it, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then hit the subscribe button and become a Cyclogy subscriber. Sometimes a woman may feel like kissing a man but does not want to take the first step. At such times, you should know how to make him understand your signals so he kisses you. Take note. This usually happens when the guy is shy and does not dare to kiss you. Number 1. Begin by being very accessible. Do not reject him anytime. This will help him gain confidence and feel comfortable. Number 2. Flirt with him. Laugh and praise him. To make him kiss you must break the physical barrier, that is, touching his shoulder, rub his hands, touching his leg as if it was an accident or something like that, so that there is contact and he feels comfortable. Number 3. Look him in the eyes and lower your eyes to his lips. Return your eyes to his and smile to him. You can also gently bite your lips so he will possibly want to kiss you. This always works. Number 4. Approach him. Wait for a right time. You can do it, like accidentally show him you want to kiss him, hug him, or kiss his cheeks and whisper beautiful things in his ear. With these signs, he should dare to kiss you. Otherwise, take the initiative and do it yourself. And I think it will be very helpful for you. So hit the like button, and if you have any doubt about this, then tell me in the comment section below. I will reply your comments, and subscribe to this channel and become a subscriber of Cyclogy, the love psychology.